So our first car for the day is this 2022 Isuzu D-Max, which is going for 623,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 11,560 per month. This car has 66,340 kilometers on the clock. This bike has a 3-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine producing 140 kilowatts of power and 450 newton meters of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 10 seconds with a 6-speed automatic transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 7.9 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 80 liters. According to the Dekra report, this car is roadworthy. This car is coming with a tow hitch, your bumper, your bed is rubberized there so that it can be protected. I didn't see anything strange with the car. I didn't see any scratches. I didn't see any dent. All the tires are still okay. Even your rims that they are protected. They've been sprayed with the black as you can see right there. All the windows are tinted. This car is quite clean. So when it comes to the interior, you have your leather seats, your 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your multifunction steering wheel, your black interior. Inside it is quite clean. Even the car, it is still okay. Suddenly it was raining, but as you can see, the car is still in a good position. If you need a buggy, come to Joburg South